What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be installing a wing on William's brand new
Civic.
What year?
2018.
2018. So if you have a 2018 Civic 4-door and are looking to install a wing that didn't come with your car, like from OEM, then this is the video for you. So let's get going. So when it comes straight out of the box, there are no instruction manuals, but as you can see, there are two mounting points. Okay, I originally thought this was gonna go on the trunk, but this actually goes right here. See, fits like a glove. And the other one over here. Okay.
FC 10 Gen R style.
Alright, so this is the wing we are installing. 10th Gen R. Oh, so it's what the hell? Okay, I guess so. R style for 70 bucks, dude. So yeah. Okay, so unfortunately they did kind of a crappy job casting it. So there are threads. Okay, there's threads that are glued in here, but look, they got, I guess, glue or whatever it is into the threads, and I can't even put the bolt in. So there's a tap and die set from Harbor Freight. So I bought it a while ago. So I'm gonna re-tap the threads on this, and hopefully the bolt goes in so we can mount it onto the car. So a couple things. We were able to re-tap these threads. Okay, so the mounting bolts can fit. However, the screws for these are wrong. This is what they gave us. Okay, and the thread pitch on this is much smaller. So we're gonna run to Home Depot real quick, go grab some. But another thing is the LED strip. There is no port for the wires to run through, so we're gonna have to drill a hole, possibly right here, shove it in, and get lucky and bring it out through here. So I'm gonna drill a hole right here. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, hope that's helpful. Alright, so we drilled a hole. We drilled two holes, okay, because we messed up. If we can reach. So we drilled this one right here. So now when I shove it in, I can actually see it, but I gotta find out a way to pick it up. You can find a paper clip, so we're gonna use this copper wire. Okay, check it out. Alright. So we're gonna shove it in right now. Try it again. Yeah?
Oh shit.
There you go, you got it out. See? I can see.
Mr. Ben Bailey.
Comes out like so. So we're on our way to Home Depot right now. Home Depot. We're gonna go pick up some screws because they sent us the wrong hardware. Hey William.
It's good.
Screw you.
Oh yeah?
So we got our screws. Let me see. Where'd it go? Yeah, so William got screwed, right? And he also ended up buying some NOS because this 1.5 liter turbo isn't fast enough to smoke most of us, so. It's a stock car day. Okay. I'm about to molest this one right now. My boy Cluto's back in town. So we went to Home Depot. He wanted to look super race car, so we got some hex head. Fuck, I forgot how you call it. You know what I mean? The one with the Allen keys. Washers to mount it on because the screws that came with it did not fit. It looked like this, you see. So we need something to keep it on. Alright, so now we're gonna wire this through here. I'm not gonna wire the spoiler in today just because I need to take it off next week to paint it. So this is just an install. This isn't a, well, this is a half-ass install, not a full install. But yeah, cool. Alright, you're gonna take the trunk liner off. Okay, you take your small tip head, flat head screwdriver.
Small tip.
Alright, you
Yeah,
take it
that's
in and
small
it goes boom, just like that, alright? And it comes
Boom.
out. Alright, there's fucking like 10 of them. So take them out, and then right now we're checking to see if there's OEM mounting points, because I think it's a stock OEM wing. So we'll see. Hold it. We measured once, cut twice, like my friend likes to say, you know what I'm saying? Because we're gonna fuck it up. And then we're gonna drill the holes. There were no OEM mounting points, so we're just doing it where he likes it. This is his car. He can do whatever he wants. Guys, I picked up this tool from Home Depot. It's called a bounce dryer sheet. Okay? And you place it over the mounting point and you trace it. You get your mounting holes, and then you transfer it over. So you transfer it over like that. Okay? So I hope it works for you too. So all I gotta do is drill it. Gotta drill it. Later, Rito. Later. There you go. Okay, so the holes are drilled. We're finished on both sides. All right, and I was really worried that we wouldn't be able to access any bolts, but as you can clearly see, we'll have access maybe at an angle with like a swivel socket. We'll go in there and gun it, and then this one's accessible as well. So we're good. We got two mounting points on a very structural area, so the wing shouldn't bend or anything. So we're good. Now we're just gonna mount it, and then yeah. Okay, so we do have to run this wire to the trunk as well. And if you want to take the extra step, you buy rubber grommets. I bought this grommet assortment kit from Harbor Freight for like $5. I don't know. I only used it once, but it came in handy again. So we're gonna place this right here, so the metal doesn't cut away into the wiring installation as he's driving. So yeah, it's a good extra step for safety and quality. You satisfied? Hell yeah. Since my cameraman doesn't want to get all the right angles, come over here. Come over here. Look, man, look. All right, we're gonna shove the wires into the grommet, all right? And it's gonna pull out. Stop looking at me. God damn, no one wants to see my face. Check it out. Okay, look, you pull it through right here and it comes out. Check it out, all right? And then it pulls through right here. All right, we're pulling all the way through. All right, we're gonna do like this. Check it out. Hidden wires, bitch. That's how you do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more quality like this. Pause. And that, you guys, is how you install I think it's an OEM replica from what I heard, but it's only 66 bucks. It came out really good. Like I said, we're gonna paint it in about a week. We're gonna sand away all the casting marks. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's self-explanatory. Anybody can do it. The only downside is, the only downside is that we had to retap, you know, all the threads and everything, and go buy some nuts and bolts, as you can see. Where can you see? I can't see. Fuck. Yeah, we have to buy washers and Allen screws. So that was a successful install. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you want to see more, subscribe. He's gonna go wash his car now. Stay tuned, because in about a week I'm gonna go pick up paint, and then we're gonna paint his wing, and I'll show you a little DIY on that. If you haven't seen the front lip that I painted last time, but I'm gonna try to be more straightforward this time. So yep, we good. Boy, 15 horsepower. Alright, so as I was saying earlier, we did manage to pull the wiring through the wing and have it hidden. You see, we drilled through here and it went into there, came out under here. Okay, so we're gonna run it through right here. And then we're gonna tap into his third brake light. Okay, I'm not gonna show you how to do it right now, but we're gonna tap into the power right here, and then just run it together. So I'm gonna do that right after we paint his wing, because I have to take it out anyway, so I don't want it to be like permanently on. So yeah.